So hello friends, welcome back. We are discussing search engine optimization. And by the time you know that our potential customer is not coming directly to our website, rather he is coming through the search engines. Google's organic results are free of cost and you need not to pay anything to the Google to be ranked in such results. And lastly, Google has its own algorithm to rank various websites by applying different weights to various factors. So let us understand the meaning of search engine optimization. It's always said that your website should appear on the first page of Google natural results. And even more, it should be listed in the top 3 to 4 results. But the relevant question is, when Google is not accepting any money at all to place your website on the very first page of the result, how will it happen? Is it possible for me to do something to my website to get it ranked high in the Google natural results? Yes, it's possible. How? The answer is search engine optimization. What is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is the process of maximizing the number of quality visitors to a website by ensuring the high rank in the list of organic results returned by the search engine. Now let me reiterate it. As we discussed, there are two types of Google results. What are those? Yes, organic and inorganic. Search engine optimization is all about organic results, means what practices, strategies or tactics we use to get our website rank high in the organic search results so that maximum visitor can land on our website is part of search engine optimization. It has nothing to do with inorganic results or paid advertisements. Now let us discuss various types of search engine optimization. There are two types of search engine optimization. The first is on-page SEO and the second one is off-page SEO. Let us try to understand the difference in both. First, on-page SEO. According to Moz, on-page SEO is the practice of optimizing the individual web pages in order to rank higher and earn more and relevant traffic to your website from the organic results of the search engines. Further, it refers to both content and HTML source code of a page that can be optimized. Let us simplify it. As the name suggests, it is on page. That means whatever we will do with our pages so that Google thinks that it will be relevant and the quality website to the visitor will be part of our on-page SEO. Let me give you one example. You would like to insert relevant keywords into your web pages that your prospect customers usually type in the search engine to find your website. It is an example of on-page SEO. Similarly, you would like to insert few images and videos into web pages with an aim to increase the richness of the content. It will be on-page SEO because you are doing something with your web pages. You must be thinking, is there any way to improve the ranking of your website in the search results without doing anything with your website? Yes, the answer is off-page search engine optimization. What is off-page SEO? According to Moz, off-page SEO refers to actions taken outside your own website to impact the ranking within the search engine result pages. It's often called backlink building process, but not restricted to that only. Let me explain with the help of an example. To determine the relevance of websites, Google assigns more weightage to how many other reputed websites have given the link of your website on their web pages. Therefore, if your website is able to secure backlink from the reputed and trustworthy websites, this is part of off-page SEO. For this purpose, you have to enhance the relevance, trustworthiness and reputation of your own website as well, so that others can link your website. Again, there are so many techniques of off-page SEO that we will discuss in a separate module. Now let us discuss why SEO is important for every website. First, being top in the search result matters. We have already discussed that most of the traffic to the website comes from the first page of SERP. And according to reliablesoft.net, users are most likely to click on one of the top 5 pages shown in the SERP. Therefore, it becomes very essential that our site should appear in top results to attract the traffic to the website. Here, the SEO plays a very significant role. SEO is cost effective. No doubt, SEO costs you as you have to hire the expert and buy some tools for SEO purpose. But it relatively considered cheaper when compared with other internet marketing platforms. Moreover, it's not a marketing cost, rather it is an investment, where you will see the results of SEO efforts in the future. SEO is measurable. We cannot measure the ROI of SEO as in the case of paid search. But we can certainly quantify the results of our efforts, such as where we were, where we are, and where will we move in the search engine results. You can simply track the traffic coming from the organic results and see how much conversion has happened through such traffic, be it micro conversion or macro conversion. SEO is not about ranking only. There is a misconception that SEO is always related to the ranking of websites. However, good SEO practices applied to the website improve the user experience on your website, as SEO encourages to organize the content, insert proper link, develop variety of content for your website. Build trust and credibility. We trust search engines, of course their results too. When our website is ranked high in the search results, it increases the trust of our users in our website because they start considering our website a quality website when it appears most of the time in the search results. May help in social promotion. There is general tendency when people find our website on Google results and like it, they tend to share it on social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media platform. It ultimately increases the visibility of your site and attract more traffic from other platforms. Helps to beat the competition. SEO help you to ahead in the competition. For example, there are two similar online stores selling almost same product. Then, the fully optimized website of the online store has more chances to attract the traffic in comparison to his counterpart. So with this, we have understood the meaning of search engine optimization. How does Google search engine work? What are various types of search engine optimization? And what is the significance of search engine optimization? So in the coming modules, we will talk more about search engine optimization and search engine optimization techniques. Thank you.